Well, hello YouTube after a long absence. Over a month I think since I've last put a video up, but I haven't been idle, I've been busy. I've been working madly at work and also in spare time doing more of this shed of mine, lining it and insulating it. I'll show you. So, this is over on the other side of the shed. I've been working, I've already shown you in that area. So I've been working over here, finishing off the ceiling and insulation on this side. So we're making progress. Got that bit to do up there next once we finish off the ceiling here, and we've also cleared out a lot of bits and pieces. We went up to a swap meet at Naracoorte, about 120 k's away, a couple of weeks back, and filled up the ute with all sorts of boxes of stuff similar to this here. Had it chock-a-block full and only came back with about a quarter of it, so we did pretty well. We got rid of an awful lot of stuff. So I've been able to make quite a bit of room in here. This entrance bit here is quite a lot more tidier than what it used to be. So I'm getting this little cupboards here sorted out, and going to move those steel shelving around to the other side of there where the ladder is now, and put some more in the middle. But we've shifted all the timber out that was running along there. That's moved in underneath the bench in the train shed. So we've got a bit of progress happening, and soon there'll be plenty of room to move around and shuffle these bikes like this FZR 250 Yamming that I've got to tidy up to sell, and I can start doing a few resto projects with a bit more room. So that's what's been happening, and apart from that I've been working on a little POS scale models kit, and that's coming up right now.